Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a glowing digital card using ChatGPT totally for free. Go to your browser and open ChatGPT. You can create this using your own photo. Click on this plus button and load your image. I am going to create using the prompt. Type or paste the prompt here. The prompt I use is mentioned in the description of this video. You can copy it from there, edit it according to your preference, and hit generate. This can take some time. And there it is. How amazing it is. Click on the download icon. This is the one I created previously. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.